With GreenLight run on this document, we can see that we've got 4 issues. It is possible in GreenLight to run individual checks, but my suggested way to do this is with the InDesign type tool. Just select the row just by hovering just to the left of that table. And with that row selected, we can now run individual checks by clicking this GreenLight panel. The document bleed is not set to 5mm on all sides. That might be all we need to know. So that one sentence for an experienced InDesign user would know to go to the document setup and fix. With that still selected, I'm going to run GreenLight once more, and if that check is now okay, then we nicely see the green color and that is switched to yes. The next issue is to do with trim objects extending to that bleed. So this time when I click the GreenLight, I've selected that row, I'm clicking on the GreenLight button, and it's taking me to a specific area in the document. So down here on page 47, it's noticed that this image doesn't extend all the way to the bleed. This is getting quite technical, so it's nice to have this more info button, which will take us to an article which is explaining exactly what this check is looking for and the way to fix that. So once that is understood, we can come back to InDesign and fix this issue. So it's down here, this tiny bit of gap here is something that might seem trivial, but it's the sort of thing that might come back from a printer. So if we've got a bleed set to a certain amount, then really the images should also extend to that bleed. So let's just fix that by scaling up that image a tiny amount. Now, a little shortcut, if I hold down the Command key and click on the GreenLight button, I'm taken back to this panel, and let's just select that row and run again and see if we've now got that one fixed. Great. And in this way we can look through the document, be taken to any issues and advised on the best way to fix them.